AI just replace Photoshop forever? Leonardo AI's new AI Canvas feature allows you to bring your dreams to life with just simple prompts. It's super easy to use. Start by uploading your own image or generating an image by providing a short description. You can now select from 4 options. Pick your favorite. I'm going with this one. Now we can begin editing the image. Pick any section you want to edit or draw specifically like I'm doing with the mask feature. And once again, type a prompt explaining what you want to do and watch the AI do its magic. Again, pick from your most favorite option. I like this one. You can even sketch your design and the AI will bring it to life. I'm going to add a cute little slug in this alien forest. Out of all the options, I like this little guy. You can even go into detail. Here I'm going to give this little slug a nose, so I'm going to draw a small little circle where his nose should be, and the AI is going to add it in seconds. That looks pretty good. You can even expand on the image and ask the AI to provide more context. Just select the area you want to cover and let it do its thing. It's like zooming out with magic. This is giving me Ben 10 vibes. They even have a free AI image generator where you can create stunning images with fine-tuned models. You get 150 free credits to use every day. Are graphic designers in trouble? Let me know what you think. If you found this useful, access the ultimate list of 2,000 plus AI tools in my free weekly AI newsletter. Don't miss out.